Welcome to Chess Magic. If you're a parent, guardian, or teacher looking to give your kids a powerful mental boost, you're in the right place. Today, we'll discover why chess is the perfect brain-boosting activity for kids, backed by scientific research. Chess is an ancient game with a rich history, spanning over 1,000 years. This game of strategy and tactics has captivated people of all ages, and it's especially great for developing young minds. Let's find out why. Chess might look complicated, but it's actually easy to learn. Each player has 16 pieces, with each type of piece having unique moves. The goal is to capture the opponent's king. With just a few simple rules, chess opens up a world of creativity, strategy, and endless possibilities. But what makes chess so good for kids' brains? Several scientific studies have demonstrated the cognitive benefits of playing chess. In a study conducted by Dr. Robert Ferguson, students who participated in a chess program showed significant improvement in their verbal, mathematical, and creative skills. Ferguson, 1995. Another study published in the journal, New Directions for Child and Adolescent Development, found that children who played chess had better problem-solving skills and were better at understanding complex systems. Sala and Gobet, 2016. Furthermore, a meta-analysis of 24 studies conducted by Giovanni Sala and Fernand Gobet revealed that chess instruction significantly improved children's cognitive abilities, especially in the areas of math, reading, and intelligence. Sala and Gobet, 2017. Now you might be wondering, how can I get my child started with chess? It's easy. Many schools offer chess clubs or programs, and there are tons of online resources to help your child learn the basics. You can also join local chess tournaments, where your child can make new friends and develop their skills. Of course, the best way to support your child's chess journey is by playing with them. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, you can have fun learning together and bonding over this fascinating game. Remember, it's not about winning or losing, it's about nurturing your child's intellectual growth and fostering a love for learning. So what are you waiting for? Set up a chessboard, and let the magic begin. With chess, you'll be amazed at the incredible benefits it brings to your child's brain power, as proven by scientific research. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on unlocking your child's potential.